The CD2 extension identifies a ConceptDraw diagram document file containing professional diagrams, flowcharts, and visual documents. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or export these diagramming files. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for CD2 file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. CD2 files are document files for ConceptDraw Diagram, a professional diagramming and visualization application. They contain flowcharts, network diagrams, org charts, floor plans, and other visual documents with shapes, connectors, text, and formatting for business and technical communication. ConceptDraw CD2 files use a proprietary format, storing shape objects, connector paths, text blocks, layer definitions, page layouts, and drawing style information. They support multiple pages, master shapes, and custom shape libraries for complex diagram creation. The official utility recommended for the CD2 file is ConceptDraw Diagram by CS Odessa. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows displays a basic representation, but design-specific features require advanced software. Begin the search for the correct application handler. Right-click the CD2 file and choose Open With. Use ConceptDraw Diagram first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn file errors. If your CD2 file still refuses to open, stay calm. We're facing a complicated CD2 error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, opening the document. Install ConceptDraw Diagram from ConceptDraw.com and open the CD2 file via File, then Open. The application displays the complete diagram with all shapes, connectors, and formatting on the drawing canvas for editing and presentation. Next, exporting for sharing. Use File, then Export in ConceptDraw Diagram to save as PDF, SVG, PNG, or Visio VSDX format. PDF provides universal viewing, while VSDX enables editing in Microsoft Visio. SVG export provides scalable vector output for web and documentation use. Finally, converting from Visio. ConceptDraw. Diagram imports Microsoft Visio, VSDX, and VSD files, enabling migration from Visio. Use File, then Open and select the Visio file. Review the converted diagram for any formatting differences and adjust shapes and connectors as needed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.